Hey guys, I hope this video finds you safe and well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chicken tender recipe, and they're gluten-free. So for someone who's gluten-free, all you guys out there, all of my gluten-free community, you guys know when there's something that's fried that tastes awesome, that's gluten-free, it's a big deal. This recipe, my friend Daphne Oz shared with me, and she also shared it in my latest book, You and I as Mothers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. It's super easy. It gives you that same thing that you get when you eat fried chicken. It's super satiating, but she taught me how to do it in a shallow fry, and it's awesome. So I can't wait to show you guys. Gluten-free chicken tenders. Here we go. This is chicken that I actually already had prepped in my fridge since last night. I pounded it really thin, and I literally just took it like this and stuck it in my fridge in a little baggie. And now that I'm making my gluten-free chicken tenders, I just pulled it out of the fridge and they're ready to go. Here's my all-purpose gluten-free flour with some garlic salt mixed into it. That's the little speckles you see in there. This is my garlic salt. Then I have an egg with a little bit of soy sauce, and that's a great trick that Daphne taught me. And here are my gluten-free breadcrumbs with some dried oregano. So here's the chicken right before it goes into, there's some sweet potato fries, goes into this shallow fry. And this is some organic canola oil. We're about halfway through here. See how the edge of the chicken's all turning white? Pretty perfect. Just like a pancake. When the outside starts to cook, that's usually when I flip it. About 3 minutes on each side. Yummy. So this is usually how I like to serve this. I just pile lettuce on top of it with some balsamic vinegar and olive oil. And today I'm having little sweet potato fries with it.
Put it in a plate.
I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new one. And I'll see you guys soon. Stay safe out there.